you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we are doing a weekly vlog. I haven't done one of these in a while, but today is Monday. I want to take you guys along, especially with the things that I have planned today. So I do have a couple of errands to do today, not too many. So a lot's been going on. A lot has been changing since the last time I've done a vlog like this. Honestly, just want to sit down and catch you guys up on just the things that I have planned for the future and just things that I want to focus on this couple of days that I'm off, because I do work on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I only have a few days off, but with the time that I am off, your girl's gonna utilize it. Okay. But before I continue on with the video, I just want to say, wow, the love and the support that I've gotten on the last couple of videos that I filmed is beyond crazy. I just want to say thank you for all the newcomers and all the new subscribers for supporting your girl and finding my content pleasing. Honestly, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me through every part of my journey. With that being said, I want to welcome all the newcomers as well as the old subscribers that have supported me for a long time. What's up, girl? How are you doing? But with that being said, let's get into today's vlog. As you can tell, today I have a few errands I want to run. Firstly, I have to go to the makeup store because I need to get a few makeup products that I'm running out of. Take my dog Deku to his groomer appointment. And thirdly, it would definitely have to be tackling this office because there's just a lot going on in this office space and I want to get rid of, minimize as much as I can because I just want this space to be clean. Also, good news, I actually just set up an appointment for my Invisalign. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to get my teeth straight because I don't know if you guys know, but I've definitely found, my teeth to be like a really big insecurity of mine. I just want to have straight teeth, and I've definitely worked with other companies before, and I feel like not only did they waste my time and my money, but they just weren't listening to the issues and the concerns. So I went ahead and booked an appointment with Dr. Shapiro, and hopefully she really helps me get the smile that I want. And I'm super nervous and excited, but that'll be a whole nother vlog, but just stay tuned for that because that's going to be coming really soon. But for the most part, I am basically going to edit this video. I'm definitely going to take you guys along with me on where we're going whenever my husband and I take Deku to his groomers, but most importantly, whenever I go to the store. So I will see you guys in a little bit, okay? I'm going to Wellington Mall. All right, so we're gonna go to the mall today, and then I think we're just gonna go there so we can look for the makeup I need. I'm not really doing too much anyway. It's a pretty chill day. We're off today and tomorrow, so we're just taking advantage of the fact that we're off. Good.
It's not cold though.
I like glosses. You look like that. So we're right now in the mall. We're just looking for, I'm probably gonna get copyrighted so bad. Like I was saying, we are currently trying to find some makeup, but they said they don't even have the Sephora in the mall anymore, which is weird. So I'm gonna see if they have any makeup brands that I use here. But for the most part, I think we're just gonna walk around and yeah. So hubby just got these. I kind of wish we videoed it, but it's okay. So we went to this store. It's called Envy. I like the outfit he picked. It was like 2 collared looking shirts and then 1 shorts. I don't know if y'all see it. And then the other one was like long pants, right? It was pretty nice. I mean, I personally liked the fit that was on him. But we're just gonna go walk around and then probably find another store we can go into and then probably head home afterwards. So we'll keep you guys posted. Alright, so I ended up getting this skirt, which is actually gonna look really good. But I think I'm gonna show you guys what it is or what it looks like when we get home. So we just got back from the mall. We're right now leaving at the moment, but we ended up getting outfits. Each of us, he got 2 outfits, I got 1. They didn't have Ulta here and they didn't have Sephora anymore in this mall, which they suck. So we're right now about to go home, actually go to the store and then call it a night. We do have Deku's grooming, which is tomorrow. So we'll basically take you guys along with us when that time comes. But with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. So bye. All right, so we just got home not long ago and I'm just gonna show you guys the things that I got from Ulta. We actually ended up stopping at Ulta Thanks to hubby. So I basically got a few of my Holy Grail Juvia's Palace makeup. So I was running out of concealer, so I went ahead and got 2 concealers, and then I also went ahead and got a foundation. Then I got a liquid blush because I've been dying to try their liquid blushes, but for some reason, I don't know why, I just don't have the time to be going all the way to Ulta and pick up the products. So I ended up doing it today. Then I got my favorite combo lip liners. This one is from NYX, I believe. I got one in the shade Rebel Kind and the other shade is Coca. So I got a darker lip liner. This is for more of my dramatic makeup looks that I do. And then a natural brown, like not too dark of a brown. So I can wear this for my everyday makeup looks that are a little lighter. So that's what I got for my makeup. Then I went ahead and got my perfume that I've been dying to try. Smells so good. So I went ahead and got that as well. But for the most part, that's all I got from Ulta. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do tonight is just edit. I have to finish the contacts video that I'm working on with this brand, and I have to get it done tonight. I have no exception. I'm trying to get this done tonight, and that's pretty much it for the rest of my night. Then tomorrow morning, like I said earlier, all we're going to be doing is taking our baby Deku to his groomers because he needs a groom because it's been a minute. And I think that's about it. We're definitely just gonna try and have a chill day tomorrow because we work on Wednesday. So that's basically what hubby and I are about to do. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish what I gotta do, and I will see you guys in the morning. Okay. Good morning, you guys. So hubby and I just got up. We're about to go to take Deku to his groomers. Tell me how yesterday, in the middle of me trying to finish a campaign for this company, my camera just decided to stop working. So I didn't realize that Sony cameras have common issues with the lens not being detected properly and the lens getting stuck. So this is what my camera's doing right now. So it's like something is jamming it where the lens can't properly extract itself. So I'm about to go to Best Buy probably later and see what's going on with my camera. I need it today, so hopefully they can figure it out because this is going to be annoying. Deku, you're gonna look so cute. We're on our way to the groomer, and then afterwards we're definitely going to try and figure out what the heck is going on with this camera, because I don't know what's going on with this camera, and I didn't even have it for less than a year. So hopefully they're not like, oh, it's gonna be an arm and a leg to try and change it. Because I'll fix it myself at that point. Look at him. We'll catch you guys whenever we're at the groomers. Bye. Look at him. He's so excited. You about to look so cute. About to look so cute at the groomers. Oh, yeah, we just made it to Petco. And right now we're just gonna take him to get himself groomed. So there's like a lot of delay that's been going on. So apparently he doesn't have his rabies shots. So unfortunately he's not going to be able to get groomed today. With that being said, we're going to head to Best Buy and then figure out what's going on with this camera and then see if we can find other groomers, because if we can find another groomer that doesn't like need rabies shot, then we're going to be good. With that being said, we'll kind of keep you posted on what we're doing with our day. Like I said, it's gonna be a pretty chill day. Besides the delays that's been going on, especially with my camera, we'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so we ended up dropping off our baby. We found a groomer.
Hour and a half.
We found a groomer that was willing to take him. I feel like they're gonna be pretty good. What?
They're gonna be pretty good.
So we got like a kind of shortcut. We don't want him too short because he just looks, I don't know.
Fluffed out, it'll still be short, but not too short.
And even if we want to like...
It's not a buzz cut.
Yeah, no. Anyway, we're going to freaking Best Buy right now. And then after Best Buy, we're probably going to grab some food. So I'll put that on. But yeah, we'll see you guys whenever we get to the store, okay? Best Buy. So just an update. We just came from Best Buy and we have horrible news. Basically, they don't have any lenses that work with my camera. So it looks like your girl's camera is out of commission and I'm just going to be using my iPhone 15. I mean, the camera isn't bad on this camera. I mean, the camera quality isn't bad. It's just my camera is 10 times better. I mean, it's a camera, you know what I mean? I'm basically just going to go and look around for camera lenses, maybe online, and see if I can find a good deal. For the most part, hubby and I, we are just chilling, waiting for Deku to finish his appointment. I don't know what we're gonna be doing for the remainder of the day, but we'll kind of keep you guys posted. But that's just an update on the camera situation. Your girls is out of commission, so until then, I'll keep you posted. Oh snap. Waiting for our doggy. This is our little grooming area. It's so cute.
Yeah, non-anesthetic. I don't like the anesthetic. His teeth are probably so healthy.
So it's a couple days prior to all the other clips that you just saw previously. So today is Sunday night. As you can see, there's just a lot that's changed and your girl just has to update you. As you can see from the background, your girl got some new studio lights. Your girl got a new podcast little holder. And I also didn't show you guys my dog Deku's haircut. So your girl just, I don't know what's going on with me. Honestly, I know what it was. It was just the fact that I was mad about my camera. But I also want to update you about my camera. So you guys already know she's out of commission. She was out of commission. And a lot of technical things were just happening. And I don't really know how the old previous owner with this camera treated her. My husband and I actually ended up going to another Best Buy afterwards because we had nothing else to do because we were waiting on Deku to finish his hair appointment. So we're like, you know what? Let's just go to Best Buy, see what's up with that. So I actually had one of the workers, his name was Michael, so helpful because he saved me from buying another camera. I was so desperate because I was like, I'm gonna buy another camera if I don't get this thing fixed. Basically, Michael just told me that my camera is functional. There's nothing wrong with the body of the camera. The only thing that I would just need to fix would be just to get another lens. So that's actually what I ended up doing. I bought another lens and it's coming in the mail pretty soon. But besides all of the camera jazz, I'm gonna show you Deku's haircut because he looks so cute. Do you see how cute he looked? Look how cute my dog look. The best part about it is that we found a groomer that focuses on the dog health rather than the grooming overall. They did say if we really needed to get him groomed, they would do it. And I think that's what my husband and I like the most about this particular groomer. This week has definitely been really good, really productive. We ended up getting everything we needed to take care of that week. I had gotten my new tech gear. I even was able to get my camera back in commission, as well as your girl has her Invisalign appointment due tomorrow. And your girl just, first of all the packages I've ordered just came in and spawned it like within the past couple days. Okay, so your girl has Shein hauls coming up. Girl, I'm excited. Okay, like where do I start? I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. Definitely comment down below if you guys are enjoying these weekly vlogs because I actually enjoy showing you guys behind the scenes of like what I actually do, especially when I'm not on social media. And the most important thing I want to focus on this year is actually having a happy reality than a false pretending to be happy on social media but like miserable in real life. But with that being said, I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Stay crusty. Bye.